Today I'm going to be reviewing Cozy Kiss dog bed, orthopedic dog bed. I just got this, so it can take actually 24 to 48 hours to fully let the foam come together. But look at my dogs, they're happy. Are you happy there, Roomba and Miley? Look at them. You want to lay down? You gonna lay down? I wonder how long they're gonna sit there. Before they were each laying in this on their own. It's really a nice pad. She's gonna walk away. But just so you can see, it's a cute bed. This is how thick it is. So when it comes, it's gonna come sealed up. There's Miley, she likes it. There you go, you can tell she likes it. Roomba here may not wanna be in there with her. So this is all gonna, once it fills out, these wrinkles will go away. But they like it. The fact that Miley is there, just laying and chilling, relaxing. It's comfortable for the dogs, good for their backs.
Just a few final thoughts here. This does have the three-sided cushion design to enhance the ultimate comfort and safety for your pet. It is leak-proof and has an anti-slip bottom. It's a durable foam mattress. You can take off the top, and it is machine washable, or you can wash it by hand. This does get a 4.9 stars. There is only 10 reviews, but I can tell you just by seeing it and having the dogs use it and they like it, your dog's gonna love this. You should check out some of the other products that Cozy Kiss makes for pets. You might find some other stuff that you like. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.